If you want to combine audio and video in CapCut, whether you're making a YouTube video, a short, a reel, or just cleaning up your editing workflow, this is one of the easiest skills to learn. In this video, I'll show you how to import your media, place it on the timeline, and then sync or merge the audio and the video so everything lines up properly. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple CapCut editing guides like this. Let's jump in. First, open CapCut on your computer and start a new project if you haven't already. Once the editor loads, look for the import button in your media section. Click import, then select the video file and the audio file you want to use. These could be separate files like a camera recording and a voiceover, or a video clip with better audio you want to attach to your project. After selecting them, CapCut will add both files to your media library so you can work with them inside the project. Now that your files are imported, the next step is to add them to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. You can do this by dragging and dropping the video clip onto the main video track and then dragging the audio file onto the audio track beneath it. Make sure both clips are visible in the timeline so you can clearly see where they start and stop. This part is important because the timeline is where you'll organize and combine everything for your final edit. Once both files are on the timeline, you can line them up manually if needed, especially if the audio and video need to start at the same point. If they were recorded separately, take a moment to match the audio waveforms or the beginning of the clips as closely as possible. That way, your final export will look and sound much more professional. If you're editing a talking video, even a small adjustment can make a big difference in how polished the final result feels. Now comes the combining step. Click and highlight both the video and audio files. On Windows, hold Ctrl while selecting them. On Mac, hold CMD while selecting them. Once both clips are selected, right-click on the highlighted files. Depending on your version of CapCut, you may see an option like Sync Video and Audio, or you may see Create Compound Clip. If you see Sync Video and Audio, use that to automatically align the two files. If you see Create Compound Clip, that will merge them together so they behave like one combined clip while you continue editing. If CapCut gives you the sync option, let it process for a moment and then check the alignment by playing the clip back. Listen carefully to make sure the audio matches the video. If you created a compound clip, you should now be able to move, trim, and edit both together as a single unit, which makes your workflow much easier. This is especially helpful if you don't want the audio and video drifting apart while you make other edits. A quick tip here, always play back a few seconds before and after the combined section to confirm everything is locked in correctly. If the timing feels off, just undo and adjust the clips slightly before combining them again. Taking a few extra seconds to check your sync can save you from exporting a video with bad audio timing, and that's something every editor wants to avoid. So to recap, you first import your video and audio into CapCut, then drag both files onto the timeline, and finally select them together to sync or merge them using Sync Video and Audio or Create Compound Clip. That's the full process for combining audio and video in CapCut in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut editing tips, and comment below if you want more beginner-friendly editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.